बॅक टू माय चॅनल. मी इशिका आणि आज आम्ही जात आहोत कोकण तारकर्ली. सो आमची सकाळची ट्रेन आहे, 6:25ची ट्रेन आहे. तो तेजस एक्सप्रेस ट्रेनचं नाव आहे. आणि आता आम्ही चाललो आहोत ठाणे इथून कॅब, आणि मग ठाणेवरून आम्ही ठाणे स्टेशनवरून ती ट्रेन येणार आहे. सो लेट्स गो.
Just wanna stay in with you, cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet.
So this is our train number. This is our coach number. So these are the tables given for each seat, and the tables were little dirty. Those are my grandparents and that's my mom. Now moving on to the washroom. It looks quite good but it stinks and I feel it's unhygienic, but yeah, you can see for yourself right now. Enough of that, now let's move on. So you get an option between tea or coffee in the morning, and they also give you 2 digestive biscuits with that. You can see in the tea kit there was tea powder, and then there was milk and powder milk, and there was refined sugar. The views were fantastic. To breakfast now. So there were plenty of things in the breakfast, so I had taken non-veg option for breakfast. So the thing that I'm opening now is upma. I did not really like the upma, but I'm not that big of a fan of upma myself, so that's my opinion. The next thing that I'm opening is an omelette. Omelette tasted good. So in that packet there was 2 pieces of bread with butter, and there was also a fruity and a ketchup. ट्रेन टाईमवर चालत होती आणि चांगला होता ट्रेनची जर्नी. जेव्हा आम्ही चिपळूणला पोचलो तेव्हा वाजले होते 10:25. अराउंड 12:30 समथिंग आम्हाला लंच दिलेलं. सो अगेन आमचं लंच पण नॉनव्हेजच होतं. आणि पहिला होता दही, अमूलची दही. आणि जे मी ओपन करत आहे तो आहे शिरा. मला ॲक्च्युली शिरा आवडला नाही. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग आय एम ओपनिंग इज बटाट्याची भाजी. The next thing was chicken that I opened. One thing about the chicken is that it tasted a little uncooked. Okay, so the next thing I'm opening is rice. The rice was good, it was amazing. Okay, so the foil bag that you're seeing, it had chapatis in it. The chapatis were also good, they were hot. The next thing that I opened was dal. The dal tasted amazing. It was also good. So after a long journey, we finally arrived in Kodar. By the way, our seat numbers were 45, 46 and 47 for me, my father and my mother, and for my grandparents it was 49 and 48. सो कुडाळ स्टेशनवरून आम्ही कॅब केली होती. आलो आहोत आता गजानन हॉटेलमध्ये, गजानन हॉलिडे होमस्टे. सो आम्ही इथे राहतो. हे आहे तिथे डेलक्स रूम्स आणि कॉटेजेस. हे गाईज, सो आम्ही फायनली तारकर्लीला आलो आहोत आणि तारकर्लीमध्ये आलो आहोत आणि हे आहे आमचं रूम. सो आम्ही रूम गजानन हॉलिडे होमस्टे या रिसॉर्टमध्ये केलं आहे बघ. सो आमचं रूम नंबर आहे 113. सो ॲज यू स्टेप इन यू कॅन सी मेनी थिंग्स. A TV right over here in front of the bed. The bed is quite big and the room is quite spacious, I must say. And here storage area again. Okay. And here I have a little window which looks really beautiful. I'll show it from afar. Okay, this is the window. Really nice. Okay, there's a AC, of course. There's a fan, and so if you move over right over here, you can see that there's a balcony, a lovely one. And if you go in, you can see the view. Okay, so these are the cottages down over here, and that's my parents. Okay, so over there are rooms too, and over here there are rooms too. Okay, this place is place to sit. Now that took me a while. Okay, continuing, over here is the bathroom. Okay. So now moving on to the washroom. Sink over here, a nice mirror over here. Hi. Okay. Now this place is quite clean. And now moving on to the closet. Okay, it's quite it's spacious and you can store a lot of clothes in here or any other things you want to store, so that's quite good. And a mirror over here. So yeah, mine's over here and I'll be meeting you guys in a while. So now we're gonna rest a little and then we're gonna continue with our day. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, आता वाजले आहेत ओके 6:03 आणि आता आम्ही चाललो आहोत बीचवर ओके बीचवर आम्ही चाललो आहोत आणि बेसिकली दिस इज लाईक ए बॅक रोड सो दिस इज लाईक फ्रॉम दी हॉटेल इट्स ऑल सँड. Oh, look at that. My beautiful mother. Say hi. What are you looking at? Oh my god. Oh, that's me. Okay, by the way, the vlog is going to be day 1, day 2, day 3 like that. So basically we are going to be here in Tarkarli, matlab here for 5 days. Oh, I can see the beach. Okay. So basically we are here for 5 days. So every day एक vlog आएगा. At least I'll try to. Because बहुत सारा editing करना पड़ेगा. I have started a little bit आज के vlog का edit. But पूरा हुआ नहीं है. तो वो करना है. So वो होने के बाद upload होगा. Anyways, आज है क्या डेट है? आज है 11th May. Hey, we are here at the sea and at the beach. It's a cool vibe over here, okay? So guys, we are going home now. We are all tired and we'll meet each other again at dinner time. We had our dinner at Gajanan Holiday Homestay Hotel. So yes guys, that's it for today's vlog and this is just the day 1, so imagine how amazing the other 5 days will be. So subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Peace out guys, bye.